you guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video on my quest to be a Snapchat filter, we're trying the green tea cooling cleansing mud mask. So this mask is supposed to like make you look beautiful, small pores. I'm gonna look fair and lovely. So with that being said, let's just get into this mask. This was brand new. And it has residue all over the top. So I don't know where that came from. Did I get a used one? I think they gave me a used one because why is there residue? Y'all, there is literally residue all over the top. Can y'all see this? Oh, what? Just ghetto. So I'ma just apply this mask. I will say. Hopefully I'm gonna look like a Snapchat filter because it's already giving me ghetto vibes with the residue. I mean, why would they have residue? I don't understand. Wait, y'all see the residue? What is going on? I'm really highly disturbed. So let me go ahead and smell this mask. It's very floral, highly scented. It's giving me paint mixed with a little bit of glue and like a floral Victoria's Secret scent. You know, one of them Victoria's Secret scents before Victoria's Secret went out of business. Wait, did they go out of business? Look, I don't know, but it's giving me really like Victoria's Secret, not the fruity smell, but like, you know, more like the universal scent. Not the strawberries and champagne scent. I don't even know if they make that scent no more. Okay, so I think I'm having an issue. This is a burning and I was expecting cooling. Like it's really giving me irritation, like scratch off the face. So I don't know if they confuse burning with cooling because this is really like burning. And a lot of people say burning means it works. So I'm letting y'all know right now, it's burning. Directions are in Chinese. So I don't know when I'm supposed to keep it on my skin. It doesn't say 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'm gonna just keep the mask on for 15 minutes. And the more it burns, I think I'm gonna have to take it off. But this is giving me soap. Like, does this look like soap or shaving? Oh my God, this is burning. Oh, oh, this is burning. I think they confuse burning with cooling. I swear I think they confuse burning with cooling. I really do, because this is not cooling. This is burning. When you first literally put it on, it's like a coal, but then it gets heavier, oilier, and burning. Like, I think they confuse it, and I can't read what is in this because, like I said, I don't speak Chinese. A lot of y'all told me to get Google Translator if I want to know if these products are in English or not, or how to read them. And this is all I have to say. They have the title in English, so I don't know why they couldn't put the directions in English, first of all. And I paid $15 for this mask. I expect them to have directions in English, okay? Y'all are real lenient on other countries and people not having directions on English, but y'all don't keep that same energy for the Amazon drivers when y'all get mad that they don't have y'all packages correctly delivered, or they just deliver them on the side of the house. Y'all get real mad and messy with the Amazon delivery drivers, but they can't have this in English. I mean, make it make sense. Some of y'all be wanting these Amazon delivery drivers to clean y'all houses, okay? But get mad at me for not using Google Translate for this. I don't know how to use it. I don't even know how to use Google Maps, okay? I'm still on MapQuest. So with that being said, I am not downloading no translator at all. So we just gonna pray for a miracle with this mask. It's been 15 minutes and the burning has stopped. So this is all I have to say. When it was drying, the burning wasn't, I didn't feel any burning on my neck. So maybe there is some blackheads that it lifted up as I was waiting for the mask to dry. So I'm assuming all the blackheads were extracted, because this is literally burning my face, but it didn't burn my neck. So I'm like confused, but I didn't feel no cooling. So I don't know. So I'm kind of happy I put it down my neck, but this is really burning my face. Ooh. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? It's not really giving me mud clay. I don't know what this is. It's giving me the Summer Fridays old formula jet lag mask tease. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face because this is getting really messy. So this is what my skin looks like. Y'all see the hyperpigmentation? For those who didn't always say my skin clear, look at it. What do you guys think? My skin, first of all, there's no black stuff. I don't look like a Snapchat filter. Let me get the mirror. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So here are my final thoughts on the Green Tea Cooling Cleansing Mud Mask. First of all, it's not really giving me mud mask tease, but it's giving me very hydrating teas. I will say this, it's not a bad product. It gave me a lot of burning. I'm still overheated from the mask, but it's very hydrating, but it didn't burn my skin. So if you are using like chemical exfoliations, if you have any type of irritation to your skin, this may not be the mask for you. It is very, very hydrating. I was expecting the Snapchat filter look. I didn't get that look. This mask is really, really hot. For the Green Tea Cleansing Mud Mask, people, cooling is more of like a tingling, invigorating sensation, and burning is what y'all gave us. Very, very hot. It was literally burning, but it didn't burn my neck. So I'm really confused. Maybe it was something on my face. Maybe them chemical exfoliations I've been using. I don't know, but it's very, very hydrating. I will say that. The scent, if you're a Victoria's Secret bath and body type of girl, the scent is there for you. If you not, girl, it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess, honey. If you like essential oils, you're very like a natural lavender, this is not the mask for you. My face is actually quite hydrated. Like all I need is a light water gel and I'm gonna get a glow. I will say that. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.